Imagine you have a new WC toilet installed in your bedroom and you love it because it came in your favorite color, comfortable to sit down and neat. Now you continue to use this for weeks or months and always flushing with water after use but never washing the WC itself. Tell me, how will it appear after weeks or months? Dirty? Smelly? Yes, you are absolutely correct. The stench alone will make you vomit continuously or pass out whenever you pass through the door to the toilet, not to talk of going inside. This is exactly what happens to our inside. We take our bath and brush our teeth every day. But what about those internal parts of us that we can't wash? How do we take care of it? And you know they get dirty too with toxins that get into our bodies from the environment, food, water, and body care products, among others that we are exposed to. You can check out the first video I made on easy ways to reduce toxin exposure in daily life for better understanding. That is the first video in our Detox series. So, what are the signs your body requires a cleansing or detox? The first signs we are looking at is that you can't seem to lose the weight you have acquired no matter how much you try. One of the most obvious indicators that the body contains toxins is abnormal weight gain. Toxin buildup slows metabolism, which results in weight gain. When the body is exposed to excessive levels of toxicity, it may alert fat cells and absorb the toxic load in order to protect critical organs. These fat cells are exceedingly challenging to remove after that. A deeper cleanse to trim and purify your body is necessary if you find out that the fat persists despite paying close attention to the type and quantity of food you eat. 2. You often feel worn out or exhausted. Maybe you are not excited about the day. You have to force yourself to get out of bed most times. By nightfall, you are worn out. One of the body's first indications of a toxic overload is this. It is impossible for caffeine or other external stimulants to make you feel better. 3. You don't get enough sleep during the night. Your body's clock has malfunctioned somehow. Your sleep is light and restless, and you toss and turn in bed, lying awake in the early hours of the morning while your mind races on. Your muscles and joints hurt when you wake up, and you may feel stiff sometimes. Once more, this is one indication that your body needs to be cleansed in order to get rid of toxins. The 4 signs we are looking at is you experience slight but persistent imbalances. It might happen quickly with acne, boil, or rash on the skin. Maybe you have a slight dry cough or you sneeze a lot without warning. Perhaps your skin is dry and seems like it has wrinkled. All of a sudden, your hair is becoming thinner and duller. This indicates an excess of toxins. Toxicological symptoms can occasionally coexist with those of a bacterial or viral illness or an underlying medical disease. You need to find this out. In order to rule out any serious concerns, obtain a comprehensive health checkup if your symptoms are becoming worse day by day. The 5th sign we are looking at is you don't have regular bowel movement. Occasionally, you are bloated, overly loose, and constipated. You feel that no matter what you eat, you could get indigestion at any time. These are a few typical signs of toxic overload that represent the functioning of your digestive system. So it's good to increase your consumption of fiber-rich foods and beverages, but keep in mind that your intestines require seasonal detoxification. 6. Your emotional state isn't good. Weariness, sluggishness, and maybe insomnia, as we have mentioned before, are cumulative symptoms that impact your emotional and mental well being. Do you have trouble concentrating at work also? Do you ever feel depressed for no apparent reason? Are you gloomy, uneasy, worried, apprehensive, or easily depressed? Sometimes signs of a high toxins in the body can be reflected in a disturbed mental condition. Regaining focus could be facilitated by cleaning. 7 sign, pain in the lower back. There may have been times when you experienced excruciating stretching and cramping over your lower back, but assumed it was because your menstruation was coming, right? Everybody experiences lower backache at some point in their lives. I have it. I experience it quite often. It is a common ailment because of their workplace sedimentary lifestyles might cause back strain, and also don't forget back posture. Furthermore, smoking, poor diet, stress, and frequent weight changes can all raise the body's calcium and oxygenation levels, which over time can cause gradual pain waves to go down the spine. You might be able to regain strength and momentum by making these lifestyle corrections and planning body detox. 8. Recurrent headache. After lengthy work days and stressful conditions, recurrent headaches may be your constant friend. This can be an annoying aspect of your routine that you've grown accustomed to, or something that has been troubling you excessively. Not to be disregarded though, stress and rush hours can cause a number of physiological abnormalities including brain reactions that may manifest at first as mild to moderate headaches. 9. A lot of viruses and colds. No level of immunity, you know, you could just become extremely sick a day after you just treated one ailment or another. Even if the person in the room you work with just so happen to have a bad case of the common cold the day before, just this thing keeps happening to you over and over again, and you wonder what. I've taken my medication, I've seen the doctor, but it just seems as if as soon as I get better, I fall into another ailment. That's the extent to which a person's body may experience immunological malfunction. Frequent fever, sneezes, running noses, lethargy, and physical tiredness can all be symptoms of it. Little energy to complete even easy chores. In addition to helping us fend off illnesses, improving the immune system is crucial for fending against illnesses as well as restoring our body's natural vitality, which calls for a thorough cleansing. If any of the aforementioned symptoms apply to you, your body is trying to warn you that it needs a thorough detox. In colder climates, spring cleaning is especially crucial to get you ready for the upcoming year. So, we have come to the end of the video. We have covered why your body needs urgent cleansing and signs that shows you should detoxify your body. In the next video, we'll be looking at how to do detoxification right from the comfort of your home. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment on your thoughts. Thank you, and I hope to see you in the next video.